Good afternoon, Pottinger class.
Good afternoon.
Today we finish add and subtract mixed numbers. Can you add and subtract mixed numbers?
Yes.
Really? Do we ever add or subtract mixed numbers?
No.
What do we actually convert them to?
Improper fraction.
So it says we can add and subtract mixed numbers, but we know truly we have to turn them into impropers first. Some vocab. Improper fraction. We know it's an improper fraction because it has a... Okay. Fraction is nothing more than a...
Division problem.
And how do we convert mixed numbers to impropers?
Around the world.
Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Keep it up. Okay, on number 6, we're going to read together. 1, 2, 3.
When adding or subtracting mixed numbers, you must convert to improper fractions first.
Must do it first. Good. Good job. Is this an or is this a mixed number? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this a mixed number?
Yes.
So I need to convert to an improper, right?
Yes.
What's the method we use?
Around the world.
So if I start at 2 times 2, that gives me what?
4.
Plus 1 gives me what?
5.
So that's my numerator, right?
Yes.
Why is the denominator 2? Yeah, the denominator in the mixed number is 2, so it stays 2, right? Let's convert this one. I got 3.5, right? So 3 over 2, not 3.5. So I have 5 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Are the denominators the same?
Yes.
So I can add the numerators?
Yes.
5 plus 3 is what?
8.
Denominator stays 2. That's my final answer?
No.
Why? What is this? How do I change an improper fraction into a mixed number? I divide, right? Because this is really 8 divided by 2, right? So 8 divided by 2. What number goes inside the house?
8.
Because it's the numerator, right?
Yes.
Oh, you guys are good. This is just another example of a problem. Number 9. No answer can ever be an...
Improper fraction.
So our work is always going to use what?
Improper.
And our answer is always going to be what?
Mixed number.
Number 11 is just another example of a problem that you can use from your notes. Number 12 is another example of a problem you can use, but let's do 13 real quick. Got lots of questions for you. Can I add these two numbers together, yes or no?
No.
Why?
Because they're mixed numbers.
How do I convert mixed numbers to improper fractions?
Around the world.
So once I go around the world, I got 25 over 4 and I got 19 over 9, right?
Yes.
Can I add those two together?
No.
Why?
Because they don't have
Our denominators are different. So we need to find a common denominator or a common multiple for 4 and 9, right?
Yes.
What do we find?
36.
So now I'm on my third level, yes?
Yes.
What am I going to make?
Doubles.
So I get 225 over 36 and 76 over 36. Can I add those two together?
Yes.
What do you get? And my denominator stays the same?
Yes.
Is this an acceptable final answer?
No.
So I need to change it to a mixed number, yeah?
Yes.
Because this is simply a...
Division problem.
May I use calculators to do this?
Yes.
So why does 301 go in the box?
Because it's a numerator.
We good?